All right, so I'm on my way to go pick up Mike from Accelerated Heights. Today, we're gonna do a little bit more of an FPV style vlog. I flew with him yesterday, and he probably had the worst day of anybody trying to fly.
I'm gonna pause that right here because little did I know that today I would break every quad I brought with me, along with my Fat Shark goggles.
So redemption round is today. We're gonna go to Brooksville. There is a bridge, a railroad track, and a road, and somehow I've got this crazy notion that I'm ready to power loop it. Let's get started.
Long days, long and nice. Feel? Say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, say to berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. Really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This one that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if to shoot it. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded with all these illusions. I know it's disputed. I gotta keep growing. They see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets down. Listen to the critics, I'ma push them to the limit. And these rappers getting timid. I've been balling like a pivot down. Step into the scrimmage, I just play when I'm in it. Trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I make them see the vision. Man, I put them in the prison with these bars that I've been spinning. And this life that I've been living, I'ma go on a mission.
Take two for the trap job, plotting on boy. See me putting in the word, whole milk, I don't do it soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop grinding. I'm a trap before I stop grinding. I'm a trap before I stop grinding. But I got my eyes on.
So at this point, I had no idea that I had broken the GoPro mount, and you're gonna probably see some jello in the footage. That's because the mount was stretched and broke. I never checked it after I wrecked.
Well, managed to rip off the GoPro. Huh. All right, well, I brought it back up. All right, so looks like we never made it to that spot where the bridge was. It looked like rain, so we ended up coming over here. Little tower behind me. Just plagued with absolute bad luck today. Mike has the worst luck of any FPV pilot 2 days in a row. What happened to the quad? Oh, none of them were bound. None of the quads were bound to his controller. I decided I was gonna fly to the church, and I think I fail-safed behind the building. My slam broke the GoPro off. GoPro was MIA, I had to sit around and search for the GoPro. Just really bad luck. I mean, ripped the mount right off. It's gonna be a thumbnail.
Just tell a friend, oh yeah. I shoot my shot with this gold on my wrist while we throwing parties, they throwing a fit. Finesse can spot me a sucker, a lot of you really is holding the lid. All of my homies legit, really is sick. I probably throw up my clip. I sell a boat to a fish, I sell a record, you know it's a hit. They see that effort I put in this music and I ain't been giving no favors at all. All of this chef and I got in the shop and I think that I probably could cater them all. I love the way that she answered the phone. I know that she ain't expect me to call. I got my eyes on you.
Tower, ever fear. Gobo fucked you up. Yes, I did. I gotta fix all these quads now. Well, this mount is officially screwed. that ends that. Sometimes you fly, sometimes you break stuff, sometimes you do both. Moral of the story is I had fun crashing. We'll try it again tomorrow.